At question 2, we're first looking at the single table class that has an integer method get num seats, an integer method get height, a double method get view quality, and a void method set view quality. For question 2 itself, we're writing the combined table class. At the restaurant, customers consider tables that are composed of two single tables pushed together. You're writing the class combined table to represent the result of combining two single table objects. A combined table can seat a number of customers that is 2 fewer than the total number of seats in its two single table objects. A combined table has a desirability that depends on the views and the heights of the two single tables. If the two single tables of a combined table object are the same height, the desirability of the combined table object is the average of the view qualities of the two single tables. If the two single tables of a combined table object are not the same height, the desirability of the combined table object is 10 units less than the average view qualities of the two single tables. Question 2, you're implementing the combined table class that has a constructor that has two single tables, a can seat method that implements the logic that a combined table can seat 2 less than the total of both single tables, and a get desirability method where if the two tables' heights are equal, the table's desirability is the average of the two tables' heights, but if the two tables' heights are not equal, the table's desirability is the average of the two tables' heights minus 10. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.